अपने माइंड से जीतना आसान नहीं है, बट नामुमकिन भी नहीं है। हाय, वेलकम बैक टू Reprogram, the podcast where we dive into inspiring stories of individuals who have conquered their inner battles and harnessed the power of their minds. In today's episode, I bring to you a remarkable story of a man who triumphed over serious smoking addiction with his resilience, dedication and mental strength. आज हम एक ऐसे शख्स के बारे में बात करेंगे जिसने नामुमकिन को मुमकिन करके दिखाया। एंड आज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द प्रिविलेज ऑफ टॉकिंग इन हिंदी बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट ही वांट्स मी टू डू. He wants his story to be said out the way he has written it. So सिर्फ नाम के लिए उसको एक नाम देते हैं ताकि उनकी पहचान छुपी रहे. Let's call him अजय. अजय की जर्नी जब शुरू हुई तो जब वो आए थे तो मुझे भी लगा था कि ये इम्पॉसिबल है, because for years smoking had consumed his life. Not just his life, his health, his relationship, his overall well-being. Like, smoking सिर्फ एक habit नहीं थी, smoking उनकी reality थी. He knew he needed to find a way. He knew it was self-destructive. But इतना कुछ उन्होंने पहले ट्राई किया हुआ था to fall back on previous patterns कि मुझे भी डाउट हो रहा था कि ये शायद नामुमकिन होगा. But when Ajay started, It was his unwavering determination. मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, इस बार तो मुझे छोड़ना ही है. I was a little positive कि ये हो सकेगा शायद. And I honestly feel privileged कि I witnessed incredible progress. And trust me, it wasn't easy for both of us. Amidst frustrations, amidst एंगर, इरिटेशन, चिड़चिड़ाहट, क्या नहीं था. बट फिर भी अजय ने कर दिखाया. एंड आई वॉज प्रिविलेज्ड टू वॉच इनक्रेडिबल पावर ऑफ माइंड इन एक्शन. सो जब वी स्टार्टेड, आई थिंक इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट. Because we began the journey by identifying एक चीज़ जो thoughts, beliefs, जो सारी feelings जो contribute करती थी to addictive behavior. हम जब कोई addiction पे जाते हैं, हम जब किसी चीज़ की हमें लत हो जाती है तो वो generally इसलिए होती है क्योंकि हमारी एक sense of dependency है. लत का क्या मतलब होता है? Dependency, right? So वो क्या बिलीफ सिस्टम थे, वो क्या थॉट्स थे, उनकी सोच क्या थी उसके पीछे, वो क्यों ये चीज़ें करते थे, कब करते थे, किन केस पे करते थे. हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें नोटिस करनी सीखी, लिखनी सीखी. इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक वो अपनी पूरी एक लाइफ एक किताब पे उतारना शुरू हो गए थे. इन दैट वेरी मोमेंट बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग था, बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग भी हो सकता है, बट ही डिड इट. बट व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग this laid the foundation and later on acted as very own enablers to develop a healthier coping mechanism. And इसी चीज़ ने, इस एक्टिविटी ने अपने आप को ये पहचानने में जितनी वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती थी कि मैं क्यों नोट कर रहा हूँ, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मैं दो तरह अपनी ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ. यहाँ भी लिख रहा हूँ, जी भी रहा हूँ. बट यही सारी चीज़ें हैं जिन्होंने आगे जाके इन टाइम हेल्प करी for him to reframe his mindset. Ajay spent considerable time learning to recognize triggers and underlying thought patterns that led to his smoking craving. Slowly, he started becoming aware of associations he had formed between smoking and certain situations, emotions, and social contexts. For example, एवरी टाइम जब उनको डिसीजन लेना होता था या कोई प्रेशर सिचुएशन आती थी जिसमें टाइमलाइन होते थे या किसी ने गलत तरीके से बात कर दी, वर हिज ट्रिगर्स, तब स्मोक करना ही करना है. स्लोली ही स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग अवेयर कि ये किस तरीके के एसोसिएशंस उन्होंने स्मोकिंग और अपने इमोशंस के बीच में या सोशल सिचुएशंस के बीच में कॉन्टेक्स्ट करी थी। गुस्से को हैंडल करने का तरीका स्मोकिंग नहीं है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन को हैंडल करने का तरीका स्मोकिंग था, डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आ रही है, स्मोकिंग। When we started, it seemed like a very difficult ride for him to take. मुझे भी लगता था कि ये शायद इस इंसान के लिए मुश्किल होगा, but his determination paid off. The moment he began to get an understanding of his associations, he quickly moved from weekly sessions. It was his will, choice, and his desire. From weekly sessions, he quickly moved to a monitoring monthly program, जहाँ पे it allowed both of us to be in touch more often and monitor and help him manage difficult emotions. So smoking से better गुस्सा को handle करने के लिए he felt talking was a better option. Decision नहीं ले पाना, so he felt talking to me, throwing that decision, both of us discussing that decision on messages over phone was easier. It helped him to buy time every time he felt the need to smoke. Initially with help, but later on he diligently examined. He started doing it himself. Every single situation he started examining the evidence behind his association. मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्यों करना है मुझे smoke? I think he started asking that not just to himself but to me also, so that he could replace those thoughts with more empowering thoughts. Ajay's determination led him to another crucial technique, right? Visualization. Visualization as a technique involves creating vivid mental images of desired outcomes and experiences. आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में क्या चाहते हैं, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हैं, कैसा महसूस करते हैं, वो सब आप चीज़ें जो हैं आप विजुअलाइज करना शुरू करते हो। आप अपनी आंखें बंद करके उस चीज़ के बारे में सोचना, अपने आप को वो ज़िंदगी जीते हुए देखना शुरू करते हैं। विजुअलाइजेशन एक बहुत पावरफुल टूल होता है रीप्रोग्राम करने के लिए अपने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को, एंड इट कैन हेल्प यू रीशेप योर रिलेशनशिप विद एनीथिंग, चाहे वो लोग हो, सिचुएशंस हो, इमोशंस हो, एंड इन दिस केस, अजय's केस, he reshaped his relationship with smoking. We practiced and trained in visualization. He would close his eyes and imagine himself engaging in activities that he loved, feeling happy, vibrant, healthy, free from the chain of addiction. So many times he would imagine himself not smoking, and he would visualize himself in every single situation जो उसको trigger करती थी, and उन्होंने उस situation को बिना smoke करे successfully कैसे manage किया. Slowly, by consistently visualizing a life without smoking, he planted the seeds of new possibilities in his minds. He started reinforcing his own mind कि ये possibility exist करती है. He can do it and he can live a smoke-free life. But it wasn't all rosy and uphill for Ajay. Setbacks भी बहुत आए, moments of temptations भी बहुत आए, fall back हुए. And I remember fallbacks that would frustrate him, make him so angry at himself. He began to slip the moment he felt that he was in control. The irony, he began to slip. That's when we turned to another powerful technique, mindfulness. Mindfulness involves bringing awareness to the present moment, like observing your thoughts and emotions without any judgment. एक external, ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि मैं ट्रिगर हो रहा हूँ. Ajay started practicing mindfulness. In moments of craving or triggers, he would ground himself in the present. Acknowledging कि sensation हो रही है, thoughts आ रहे हैं, body react कर रही है, mind कह रहा है smoke करने की ज़रूरत है, but he witnessed them without engaging with them. मतलब he did not give in to those desires, his prompts. मुश्किल था, but he learned to detach himself from the grip of these cravings and observed them as passing mental events. He realized कि he has the power to choose how he responds to craving and triggers. Ajay's mindset shifted, right? He learned how to detach himself from the grip of these cravings and just observe them as passing mental events rather than uncontrollable urges. Easier said than done. But he was sure that he's not going to slip. It was his determination, his will that eventually made it happen. Ajay started realizing that he's no longer the victim, a helpless victim, but as an empowered individual. कि मैं अपनी लाइफ को अपने दम पे जीऊँगा, अपने हिसाब से जीऊँगा. I remember him telling me, बहुत हो गया शुचिता, अब और नहीं. So awareness और consistent practice, बहुत effort लगा, बहुत time लगा. But during all the techniques that we taught him during therapy, he started to feeling mentally strong, right? His mind shifted. He started feeling more in control, more powerful. His mental strength flourished. The smoking addiction that once controlled his life lost its grip. He embraced a smoke-free lifestyle, breathing in fresh air, newfound freedom. पैसे भी बच रहे थे, the way he used to say. Ajay's journey is a testament to the incredible strength that lies within each of us. Honestly, listeners, he demonstrated to me also that what mental strength training can do for somebody. By incorporating various scientific techniques, we can actually for real rewrite our stories and overcome even the most challenging obstacle. Like दुनिया में जिंदगी में जो सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल लगता है ना, हम उसको भी overcome कर सकते हैं. It's all about mental strength. Mental strength एक journey है, ठीक है? I've said that over and over again, right? It requires dedication and perseverance. Ajay's story shows us that it's never too late to rewrite our own narrative and reclaim our power. He did a lot of things while he was working in therapy, right? Going into de-addiction, substances where there were medication also that were involved. But he overcame all of that. So imagine if you decide with just determination and with the right techniques and with the right help, you can retrain your mind to overcome anything. कोई बदलाव मुश्किल नहीं है. Life restart करना मुश्किल नहीं है. Nothing is impossible. So thank you. आज की story not just I hope inspired you, but it was very inspiring for me. And I hope that I will be able to bring to you such more wisdom stories of mental strength in our upcoming episodes. अगर आपके पास कोई story है, आप मुझे अपनी story सुनाना चाहते हैं, I'm all ears. Please write to me. And until then, just embrace the power of your mind and take steps towards your transformation. चाहे छोटे ही सही. Techniques apply करना शुरू कीजिए. Journaling करना शुरू कीजिए. Visualization, affirmations. We're going to talk about so many techniques. Previous episodes में भी मैंने बात करी है. Let's start doing them. And if you have any questions, any roadblocks, feel free to send them to me. Write to me. And I hope I'll be able to answer them. And I'll try my best to answer them. Until then, so before I bring to you the next story of mental strength, this is me, Shuchita, your psychologist, signing off.